To cook beef with broccoli, slice 1 pound of beef, flank or sirloin, thinly. Marinate with 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon sesame oil for 15 minutes. Blanch 2 cups of broccoli florets in boiling water for 2 minutes, then drain and set aside. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Stir-fry the beef until browned, about 3 to 4 minutes. Remove beef from the pan. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon minced garlic, stir for 30 seconds, then add the broccoli and beef back. Pour 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and a 1/4 cup water. Stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes until everything is coated and heated through. Serve hot. To cook salt and pepper squid, start by cleaning 500 g of squid, removing the tentacles and cutting the bodies into rings. Pat dry with paper towels. In a bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Toss the squid in the mixture until evenly coated. Heat oil in a deep pan or wok over medium-high heat. Fry the squid in small batches for 2 to 3 minutes until golden and crispy. Drain on paper towels. Serve with sliced chili, spring onions, and a squeeze of fresh lime or lemon. Enjoy hot as an appetizer or snack. To cook mixed Canton guisado, sauté garlic and onions in oil. Add sliced pork and chicken, cook until browned, then add shrimp until pink. Set aside. In the same pan, stir-fry julienne carrots, bell peppers, and cabbage until tender. Return the cooked meat and shrimp to the pan. Add soy sauce, oyster sauce, fish sauce, optional, and chicken broth. Simmer for a few minutes. Boil pancit Canton noodles separately until al dente. Then drain and add them to the pan with the meat and vegetables. Toss everything together, ensuring the noodles are well coated in the sauce. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve the mixed Canton guisado with a slice of lemon or calamansi for garnish. Enjoy. To cook lumpiang Shanghai, start by preparing the filling. Mix ground pork, finely chopped onions, garlic, carrots, green onions, salt, pepper, and 1 egg in a bowl. Place a spoonful of the filling on a lumpia wrapper, then roll tightly, folding the sides inward. Seal the edge with a dab of water or egg wash. Repeat until all the filling is used. Heat oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Once hot, fry the lumpia in batches until golden brown and crispy, about 4 to 5 minutes per side. Drain excess oil by placing them on a paper towel-lined plate. Serve hot with sweet chili sauce for dipping. Lumpiang Shanghai is a popular Filipino appetizer or snack that's perfect for gatherings and parties. To cook Shanghai fried rice, start by heating oil in a large pan or wok over medium heat. Scramble 2 beaten eggs and set them aside. In the same pan, sauté minced garlic and chopped onions until fragrant. Add diced pork, shrimp, or chicken, cooking until browned. Stir in mixed vegetables like peas, carrots, and corn, and cook for a few minutes. Next, add day-old cooked rice, breaking up any clumps. Stir-fry the rice, mixing everything well. Add soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a pinch of pepper to taste, tossing until the rice is evenly coated. Return the scrambled eggs to the pan, along with chopped green onions, and stir to combine. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until heated through. Serve hot and enjoy this delicious, savory Shanghai-style fried rice.